What's up, everybody? Today I'll be showing you how to replace your battery in your Dodge Challenger 6.1 liter 2010. So first of all, it's in the trunk. Second of all, you're going to need a 10mm long ratchet, and I'm using a 10mm key. So you lift up your first of all, you want to take the Velcro off of this panel. Lift your panel up, pull it towards you. You take it out of the trunk. After that, I like to slide this out. And then you have access to your strap for your battery. With a little hook. You just have to press on this, it loosens it, then you can take it out. Perfect. Now you always want to take your negative first, so it doesn't spark anywhere. Always start with the negative, because there's no danger of it sparking. Then you want to take your cap off for your positive. Grab your 10mm ratchet. You twist it out. It's perfect. Now you want to grab your long 10mm ratchet. You want to come get this bracket. Now you just take the bracket out. Now don't forget this little tube. It's for your acid that falls off. At least it doesn't go in your trunk, it goes under the car. Now you're ready to pull your battery out. Perfect. And once you make sure no wire's in the way, you bring your new battery in. You make sure it's properly tight that way, and then you push it back. You grab your clamp again, put it down with your bolt. Now you want to tighten this down. After that, you grab your strap, you come put it on the hook, and then you pull on it tight so your battery's snug in place. It won't go anywhere. Don't forget your acid tube. Then you always start with your positive. You always start with it. Put it back. Tighten it up. Same for the negative. You always put the negative last. Now you put your cap back on for your positive. You slide this back in place. Everything looks good. Then you grab your cover. You just have to slide it back in place. You don't forget to re-velcro your seats. And you're done. You successfully changed your battery in your Dodge Challenger 6.1 liter 2010. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment in the section below. Talk to you guys in the next video.